how to loop a video, or with another word, how to constantly repeat a video. So here's an MP4 file, it's a video. If I double click on it to open it, it's a short clip, it's playing it just once and then it stops. Okay, so this is at help and about MPC, so Media Player Classic Home Cinema. So if you're using Media Player Classic Home Cinema, you have to right click on the video, go to options. After options, come here to playback, and here it has play it one time or repeat forever. Check that one and close it with OK. Now if you play it, now it's constantly repeating. Okay, let's try another player. So right click on the video, open with, let's try VLC Media Player. Using VLC, it also stops. It has a button down here, these two arrows. It can repeat the video or it can repeat the entire playlist. So let's use the first one. Now it's disabled. So just click on it once and play it. And now the video is constantly repeating. Okay, let's pause it and make it smaller and close it. So here's the repeat button. Let's turn it off. Okay, now let's see Windows Media Player. So open with Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player also stops, and the buttons here. Turn, I don't know, turn repeat on, something like that. So check that arrow, that circular one, and play it. And now it's constantly repeating it.